Hello viewers, welcome to today's math class. And in today's math class, we are going to be looking at division of polynomials. Now, what are polynomials? Polynomials are simply algebraic expression with two or more terms. That is what polynomials are. Now, right here on the board, we have some works to do, and I'm going to be using this to show you how to divide polynomials. Now, here we have 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 divided by x plus 2. So this is actually our dividing and this is our divisor. Now all we just need to do is make use of that long division method to solve this. So all we need to do is this. So as you know, our divisor will always be outside. And what is our divisor? X plus 2, right? Our dividing will be inside. 3x squared minus 2x plus 4, right? Now what we just need to do is to make use of this first term of the divisor to check how many times is going to go in the first term of the dividing. So x in 3x squared is how many? 3x squared divided by x. So we left with what? 3x, right? Yes, very good. So now, these our quotients. We call these up numbers the quotients. So now what we are going to do is to use it to what? To multiply the first term of our divisor. So 3x multiplied by x is going to be what? 3x squared, right? Now 3x multiplied by 2, what is going to be answer everybody? 3x multiplied by plus 2 is going to be plus 6x, right? Plus 6x. Now the next thing we need to do here is to subtract. Now you can see we can bring down our 4 plus 4. Now plus 2x minus 2x rather minus plus 6. Now take note of this. Minus times plus is what? Minus, right? Minus times plus is what, everybody? Minus. So minus times plus is going to be minus. So we're going to be having minus 2 minus 6 minus 2x minus 6x is going to be what? Minus 8x. Right? Yes. So next we are going to do this. So this minus this, we are left with nothing, right? So this is what we are left with. So what else are we going to do? Now make use of the first term of our divisor to what? To check how many times it's going to go in this. So how many times is x going to go in minus 8x? Our answer is going to be what? Minus 8. We are simply doing minus 8x divided by x. Our answer is going to be what? Minus 8. Now we are going to use this to what? To multiply our divisor. So minus 8 multiplied by x is going to be what? Minus 8x, right? Yes, correct. So now the next is minus 8 multiplied by plus 2. Our answer is going to be what? Minus times plus is going to be what? Minus. 8 multiplied by 2 is going to be what? 16, right? Yes. So now let's subtract from each other. So now plus 4 minus 16. So minus times minus is going to be what? Plus, right? So plus 4 plus 16 is going to be what? Plus 18. Now this minus this. So now at this point like this, what we have here is our answer. So this is our answer. We've gotten this, and this is what we call our remainder. So this is our remainder. So now we've gotten our remainder. That means our answer is this. So now simply 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 divided by x plus 2 is equal to what? 3x minus 8. Now we've gotten our remainder. This is our answer. Now to the other side of the board, we also have a question here. Now we have 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x raised to the power of 2 plus 4x minus 1 divided by x minus 3. So still using the long division method. So our divisor, which is x minus 3, is going to be outside. Then we have 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x raised to the power of 2 plus 4x minus 1, right? Yes. So now all we need to do at this point now is to use the first term of our divisor to what? To divide this. So now 2x divided by x, we are going to be left with what? 2x squared. Now all we just need to do is 3, here x is raised to the power of 3, abi indices, lots of indices. So 3 divided by x x raised to the power of 3 divided by x, we are going to be left with x raised to the power of 2, because now one x has been taken out, we will have x raised to the power of 2. So next, we are going to use this now to multiply our divisor. So 2x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by x is going to be what? 2x raised to the power of 3, right? Now 2x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by minus 3 is going to be what? Minus 6 x raised to the power of 2, right? Yes. So next is to what? Is to subtract. So minus 1, we bring down our minus 1, plus 4x, we bring it down. Now always take note of your sign, please. So now the next is minus 3x minus 6x squared is going to be what? Minus 3x squared minus 6x squared. Now minus times minus is going to be what? Plus, right? So all we are doing here is minus 3x squared plus 6x squared. Minus 3x squared plus 6x squared. What is going to be our answer? Our answer is going to be what? Plus 3x squared, right? Yes, our answer is going to be plus 3x squared. Now over here to this other side, we don't have anything to do here. What will be left with is what? 0. So now this is it. So now we are going to check how many times x can go in this, which is the first term of the divisor, how many times it's going to go in this. So 3x squared divided by x. What are we going to be left with? We are just going to be left with what? Plus 3x, right? Yes, correct. Now, then we are going to use this to multiply our what? Our divisor. So 3x multiplied by x is going to be what? Which is going to be 3x squared, right? Yes. So now plus 3x multiplied by minus 3. So all we are going to be left with here is what? Plus times minus is what? Minus 9x, right? Now we're going to subtract. So we have minus 1, we break down our minus 1. So now we have plus 4x minus 9x. And mind you, minus times minus is what? Plus, right? So plus 4x plus 9x is going to be what? It's going to be plus 13x. Plus 13x. Now, the next, so we are going to do this minus this, but you should know that this minus this, what is our answer going to be? Our answer definitely is going to be what? 0, right? Yes. So we are left with this. So now next, we are going to check how many times the first step, the divisor of our, the first term of our divisor rather is going to go in this. So 13x divided by x. We are going to be left with what? 13. So positive 13. So now the next, we are going to use this to multiply our what? The terms of our divisor. So 13 multiplied by x, we are left with what? Plus 13x, right? Because x here is positive. So now next, we are going to do 13 multiplied by minus 3. What is our answer going to be? 13x multiplied by what? Minus 3. Our answer is going to be what? Minus 39, right? Yes, minus 39. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to subtract. So minus 1 minus 39. And remember, minus times minus is going to be what? Plus, right? So minus 1 plus 39. Minus 1 plus 39. Our answer is going to be what? Plus 38. So this minus this is 0, right? So now we've gotten our remainder. This is our remainder. Our remainder. And this is our what? Divisor. Right? This is our what? Now, this is our remainder, this is our what? Our divisor, and we call this what? Our quotient. We call it the quotient, and this we call it the what? Dividing. Yes, we call it the dividing. We call this the dividing, our quotient, and call this our what? Our remainder. So over to this other side of the board, we have another question. But for this, I will not solve it. I expect you to solve this. Now, it's still the same question with this, but the only difference is that our divisor has been changed. Here is x minus 3 and here is x minus 2. So try this out on your own. Practice it. Thank you.